guys, so I'm sure you can tell by the title, we're going to have two little goals set here, and I know it's always good to set goals, whatever, and try to reach them, obviously, but so I've really never done anything like this on the channel, but I thought it would be a good time to start. So we're going to do, the first one is going to be our 5K. So we're at 40, almost 4,200 I believe right now. So we're going to do, this is going to be, this we're going to push for it, but we're going to say 5K by the 1st of next month. So it's the 17th right now, so we've got about 2 weeks, and I think we can do it. Been growing very fast. Seems like a lot of y'all are enjoying the videos, and it's definitely something I think we can do. And if we do it, I will do a massive burnout in the Mustang. I've never really done a huge one. I've done plenty burnouts and stuff, but I've never really done a real big one. This car does have line lock. I think maximum holds for 15 seconds, but I'm sure we can roll through a couple gears in 15 seconds and put off just a monstrous cloud of smoke. So I think that would be super sick. So 5K by the 1st of next month. So definitely leave a like, share the video, comment, show your friends, tag them on my Instagram. Definitely leave some feedback on the video and whatnot. So they're so aggressive. Why don't you make 33, 12, 50, 22 mud grapplers? Ditto. Come on. We want it. Give it to us. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're out here by the river with the Mustang, and y'all can let me know if this isn't a good idea, but I thought it would be pretty cool. So you saw the 5K, gonna do the big burnout in the Mustang if we hit it. This next goal is probably nowhere near reachable, but I figured, what the heck, let's give it a shot. So on April 1st, if we can hit 10K by April 1st, I will, if you have a Mustang, you have a Silverado or a Tacoma, anything that's similar, we will get you a leveling kit or lowering springs or something of that nature. So I know there's a lot of you guys out there that probably, you have your truck or you have your car, you really want it lowered or you want it raised up, but you just haven't been able to pull the trigger on something like that yet. I think this would be a really cool thing. If we can hit 10K, it absolutely would be worth it, and I think it'd be really cool to give one of y'all something. The only requirements would be that you have some type of vehicle that's similar to mine. Not necessarily the years, but I'm just saying it needs to be like an American-made truck or a American-made car, something like that, because I don't want to get into the thousands of dollars of stuff that maybe a Lexus or BMW or something like that. If one of y'all, for some reason, follow me on, that have one of those cars. But, if we got a $100, $200, $300, I'd say $300 would probably be the max. As far as a leveling kit, lowering springs, something like that. I know lowering springs would be kind of iffy on the price on that one, but I believe there'd be some good options. Definitely most all your leveling kits would be in that price range. So I know that's like a month and a half away. We're not even hit 5K yet, but I think it would be, you know, it's a good goal to set. Why not? You know, give it a shot. If y'all do, you know, leave like, comment, everything. Just spam this video, tag your friends, tag them on my Instagram, everything like that. And, you know, like I said, if we can hit 10K, somebody, I'll make a video, obviously, put it in, everyone can comment to be entered, and then I'll put it in one of those randomizing websites, and then someone will get picked randomly, and you'll be the winner as long as you meet the requirements of owning one of these vehicles, some type similar to mine. Then we definitely can get you a leveling kit or give you lowering springs or something like that. If you've already got one of them, maybe some, you know, control arms or something like that. But, you know, it'd be really cool, I think, to give back. And obviously, like I said, if we hit 10K this fast, it would be super sick. Really, the goal, April 1st, that would be insane. And like I said, I doubt it's going to happen because it is such a big milestone and we're pretty far away. But I just think it'd be insane. So definitely leave a like, comment, share, all that stuff. Comment, let me know if this is something you would love. If, you know, comment what vehicle you have, what you would want on it. Anything like that. Just, you know, if y'all are hyped, then I think it'd be sick. So definitely, if this goes over good, then maybe we could do more of them. You know, the sky's the limit as far as YouTube goes. Is if it's growing good, then I have no problem doing stuff like this. I mean, I think it'd be awesome. So definitely just like the crap out of this stuff and let me know. And if if this comes over the wrong way somehow and y'all all do not like it, then we just won't do it. But I think it'd be cool. So y'all let me know what you think, and I guess that's gonna do it, guys. So I'll see y'all in the next one.